Icing is a dangerous and potentially fatal in-flight hazard that occurs in every season. Luckily, many tools are available to provide reliable go or no-go decisions. One important resource is the Aviation Weather Center, a branch of the National Weather Service. The Aviation Weather Center provides pilot weather reports, or PIREPs. PIREPs give real-time weather observations for pilots in flight. PIREPs can be crucial for a pilot's planning as they provide observations of the atmosphere as opposed to just general forecasts. PIREPs can provide altitude-specific meteorological information, including icing conditions. Air traffic controllers may ask pilots to report unexpected weather conditions, like icing, that have deviated from published forecasts. If you encounter icing conditions while flying, air traffic control can help you navigate out of icing conditions, and once you've safely navigated away, submit a PIREP. To find PIREPs, visit the website aviationweather.gov. You should choose several airfields within a wide radius of your flight route to get all PIREP data along your flight path. You can find more information on how to submit a PIREP and the coding used in them in the Federal Aviation Regulations and Airman Information Manual. Aviationweather.gov has more tools to help pilots stay weather aware, such as a map that includes the location of convection, tropical cyclones, mountain waves, and icing. These are accompanied by current station plots providing routine current weather observations, or METARs. METARs are another tool that pilots use to determine if there is icing. These are the weather observations that are recorded at airports across the country. METARs may seem intimidating at first, but like PIREPs, aviationweather.gov offers a toggle to decode METARs. To see if icing conditions are at an airfield, look at the report of freezing drizzle or freezing rain, as indicated in this example. Also, look at if the temperature is below freezing. When combined with fog and mist reports, the temperature indicates there is freezing fog or freezing mist. Broken cloud and overcast cloud ceilings are also important, as lower ceilings can indicate precipitating clouds and fog, which can be indicators of icing. All automated surface observing systems are not created equal. In larger airports, the ASOS data tends to be more reliable with human augmentation, leading to correct observations. However, at smaller airports, ASOS stations rely on automated data, which can lead to errors. TAFs, or terminal aerodrome forecasts, can be used alongside METARs to forecast conditions in a particular area. These forecasts can be used to determine if conditions are conducive for icing for a particular area. TAFs can include freezing rain, fog, and low ceilings. The current icing product, or CIP, and forecast icing products, or FIP, are the primary tools pilots can use to find icing levels, the severity, and probability of icing conditions. These forecasts are issued directly by the Aviation Weather Center with a map showing the severity of icing levels. Select your flight level on the left side of the screen and see how your flight path will be affected. The winter weather dashboard shows the impacts to each regional center. It provides pilots with the date, time, and severity level of the impacts associated with a winter storm. Additionally, pilots can rely on weather briefings from their local flight service stations. Trained weather briefers will answer either in air, by radio, or by phone at 1-800-WX-BRIEF. To find more information about required information and contact procedures, refer to the Airman Information Manual. We will quickly go over a few more resources to help forecast and prepare for icing. The National Weather Service is a major office of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or NOAA. Local National Weather Service offices write area forecast discussions, which include an aviation section along with TAFs. The Storm Prediction Center has forecasting tools that relate primarily to severe weather and convective weather, such as thunderstorms. Icing and hail are associated with thunderstorms, especially at aviation altitudes. The Weather Prediction Center has more general forecasting products and tools. You'll find information on the location of fronts and areas of high and low pressure. You'll also find information on areas of heavy snowfall and freezing rain forecasts. These resources offer an additional level of forecasting if you're uncertain of the conditions you'll be flying through. Along with these tools, pilots should read and refer to the pilot's